Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So this week we are doing a small back patio. Access is a little complicated. We can't go through the front of the house. We have to pop a fence section off, go through a street in the back, stick around for the tear out, the prep, my favorite part, the pour. This is the second to last job we'll be doing before we go on a nice vacation. We really need some rest. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe, guys. See you later. Tearing this out was pretty straightforward, but I still wanted to be very careful with damaging the customer's property. Whenever I'm tearing out something small, I like to be even extra careful to make sure that the perimeter doesn't get messed with. Our mat placement, everything. We wanted to make sure that when the work was done, the customer wasn't looking at our destruction or any of our messes left behind. So with a little extra work and coordination, we make sure to keep things tidy. Being that this was small, prep work was also pretty simple, but just like all our other jobs, I like to hit it with the rammer here in the video, at least 2 passes, make sure this doesn't sink again. The original issue here was that it sunk close to the house, so we made sure to compact it, lay down about 3 to 4 inches of road base. We just wanted to be very certain that this wasn't gonna go this time around. I mean, that's why people hire us. So we like to make sure that the soil is compacted well and it doesn't shift anywhere after we leave. And yes, we do tie into the foundation. I've always said if you do your subgrade right, your slab shouldn't move. And the pins we use are fiberglass pins. They're not epoxied in, so there's plenty of movement out, away, and towards the house. That moves freely, but there's some resistance on vertical movement up and down. And that's the way I like to do it. Whether you do it or not, that's up to you. There it is, guys. Everything came out well. Rebar's down. We compacted the heck out of it. We really don't know why it sunk close to the house. I'm assuming lack of compaction because the soil composition here is pretty good. We still compacted the heck out of it. We got about 3 to 4 inches of road base in here. Compacted it, watered it. Everything's good to go. We'll be pouring this tomorrow. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. See you then, guys. Bye-bye. Getting the concrete in here was a little difficult because I was going over a little hump, and when you have a liquid inside your power buggy, it wants to spill out. So I had to take my time getting in here. It wasn't a lot of concrete, but we still wanted to take our time to minimize splashing, messes, and obviously accidents, because a power buggy can flip if you're not careful with it, guys. So always take your time planning your path out.
entiendo que aquí 19 y 21. Oh, lo bueno, Luisito. El problema es la mujer, ¿no? La de 2 años, ¿no? Ah, tiene una bebé. Sí, sí. No, pero anda así aquí todo.
I heard this 100 times and sometimes on our video that I hire too many guys, but I don't want my finishers struggling. I want to make sure every detail's taken care of, and then I'm always an extra finisher. Even though you don't see me in the concrete, I'm always ready to go in case this stuff blows up. But we poured over a dry subgrade, had some accelerant in it, so it set up pretty quickly. Since we were in the shade here, I wanted to make sure this was good by the time it rained that evening. It did, we covered, but it was still good. We came back the next day, cleaned up, and everything came out nice, but it was a nice easy pour and everybody was happy. All right, guys, there it is. We poured at 7 a.m. like a 4 slump, 4,000 with a little bit like accelerant. They say it might rain this afternoon like at 1 or 2, but as long as this thing's sitting here, by then water will be beneficial. But check it out, guys, pretty straightforward. 10 by 25, obviously not the biggest job we've done, but I'm certain the customers will be very happy that water isn't going towards their house anymore, and knowing that this shouldn't move for a very, very long time. Next week, we're doing even a smaller front porch than this. We kind of set up a pair of small jobs before we go into a vacation, you know, kind of coast into it. And then after that, we're going to pick up with some more complicated projects. Either way, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. See you then, guys. Bye-bye.